Hey everyone, so it looks like it is week 4 sports week. All right, let's take a look at some of this stuff. Here, I think by now everyone's getting used to it. I hope you like this format of learning with the bingo boards and having choice and a little more structure. Anyway, all right, so here for language arts, we have listen to Pete the cat play ball. There's a YouTube link right there. Here's a yes and no sports themed question. Okay, so you go see attached worksheet and it's front and back, okay? You can ask the question, show the picture, and you can use your yes and no cards for your child to choose, and then you can help them circle or you can circle it yourself. Do you like to kick a ball? Do you like to bounce a ball? Do you like to throw a ball? And there are 3 more questions on the back, okay? Here's the big game story. Read the story. Use the flashcards to answer the questions. So here's your story. Okay, read the story right here. Here are the questions to ask. And here are the flashcards to use. Okay, you can cut them out, and show 2 at a time. Here is put your name on the soccer ball. All right. Never easy to turn. Here we go. Okay, so here's a soccer ball, and here's a bunch of rectangles. Write your child's name on it here, like Jen, like that. Cut it out, and then you can glue the letters in the soccer ball, okay? And we like sports book. Here's another booklet to make and read. Here we go. We like sports. Put your name on it. Color them, read them, cut it out, staple it together, and make a book, okay? Has front and back. All right, for math, we have complete the pattern sports. And here it is. Now this is a lot tinier for preschool really, but you can help. Take your child's finger and put her finger on there, and you go ball, helmet, ball, helmet, ball, helmet, right? And circle, there we go. But I think what's important is to make a point and to verbalize the pattern with your child. Okay, counting golf balls. And there we go. It's on the other side. Count the golf balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle number 4. Okay. I know that this is a little too tiny, but what you can do is count them and have 2 flashcards, or even 1 if your child is just working on 1. So let's count the golf balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have number 4 out. Ask your child how many, and then they could touch the flashcard number 4. Okay. Football size order. Here you go. All right, so this is, of course, really hard. What I would do is take the biggest and the smallest and ask your child, which is the small one, okay? They'll pick the small one and then do it again so that you're only giving them a choice of 2 at a time. Okay. Oh, color by number cheerleaders. I don't know. I still like doing color by number, even at my ripe old age. All right. Oh, it's stuck. Sorry, everyone. I know these videos aren't so great. Here's another sports match. I think that's the next one. Okay. Just count and draw a line to the number. And ta-da! There's the color of the cheerleader. Okay. There we go. If you don't have tan, then just use brown and color it lightly. Okay. And for science and social studies, watch this video about the Olympics. Here's another one. Play this online Cookie Monster sports game. There's a science experiment. Why do balls bounce? And here's the directions right there. Okay, why do balls bounce? There's also a YouTube link. Sesame Street bouncing balls, okay? Take a family survey. Fill the bar graph to show everyone's favorite sport. There we go. Ask everybody. Call your grandma, call your grandpa, call your uncle, and do a family graph, okay? And here's another online fun game. Play some online basketball with Big Bird right there. Okay, now we have some sensory art. Magic muck. Mix equal amounts of water and cornstarch on a tray and watch it turn from a solid to liquid. There's a lot of different words for this. You might hear oobleck, but this is actually pretty cool. If you can get some cornstarch and water, when you put it on the table or the desk, it becomes hard. And as soon as you put it in your hands, it melts. which is kind of cool. And then when you let it drip on the table again, it gets hard again. Here's soccer ball paper plate packet. All right, we can make another soccer ball. There we go. All right, you have just some hexagons there. Put them on a paper plate and you made a soccer ball. And here's another one. Follow the leader. Walk through different textures and sensory bins. You don't have to make a sensory bin. You can just take different materials, different things, put it on the floor, and then have your child try stepping on it, putting their hands in it, and just getting a whole bunch of different feels. Very important for children. Here's an art Olympic ring Q-tip painting. Okay, that's in the packet here. There was the soccer ball cutouts. And here you go. This is to make your rings. They did it dots. You don't have to do dots. You could go round and around. And if you don't have Q-tips, just use your fingers. Okay. There's over there. And here's another one. Fingerprint baseball. There's a baseball in the back, a circle. You could also use a paper plate if you want to. Make 2 lines like this and then take your finger and just make some dots with your finger to make the baseball seams. And let's see. Here's the last one. A whole bunch of links. Here's some music. Enjoy music about sports from Coco Melon. Here's, if you have a parachute, that's great. Many of us don't have parachutes at our home, but you can use an old bed sheet. Kids love this, especially if you have older siblings or cousins around the house. Sit on your floor and everyone takes a part of the sheet. A crib sheet would be perfect because it's smaller, and you just shake it, shake it, shake it. They love it. And if you can get a stuffed animal, put that in the middle, or get balls and just shake it. And then we call it popcorn when the balls start bouncing up and down. The kids go bananas. They love it. Okay. Life skills. Enjoy a variety of sports-themed snacks and recipes. Here you go. You can have some ideas here with this link. Softball, safe for indoors. You can make rolled socks, balloons, wadded paper, bean bags, and practice grasping and throwing. And here's another one, sports ball cleanup. You can watch this YouTube link and help clean up. Okay, I hope you have a fun week with this. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.